Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What is going on in your connection? What is going on in your relationship? This could be with a crush, a new lover, a friend, a twin flame, a ex-lover, wife, husband, wife. Whatever your connection is, friends, we're gonna look into detail today. We have lots of piles, thick piles, lots of long readings. So, friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends. And many of you requested, so here it is now. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate with you or it may not. So, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, be careful of people who are using our name and trying to message you or contact you through emails, Instagram, or YouTube. Please, friends, they are fake people, they are spams. Please do not pay any attention to them. I will not personally ever message you on my own. So, friends, thank you for your support, love, and be careful. Stay careful, stay alert, and this is a timeless reading, friends. Whenever you watch it, it will help you out. And also, um, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And let's take a deep breath. Today's choices are very, very interesting. So let's take a deep breath and choose option number one. This beautiful couple, the couple in pink. Option number two, the couple in green dress couple. There is this green here. Number two. Option number three, the lady with gifts. So, friends, relax, take a deep breath, choose option one, option two, option three. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose. Also, August pick a card readings with charms have been done, so make sure to check that out. And friends, if please help and support our channel, because if you are not, maybe I should do some less readings probably. So please support us and help us with views, and we need your support, friends. It's a harsh world, YouTube, so please support, like, share. And let us see, for those who chose option number one, let's start the reading, and then we're gonna look into detail what's going on in your connection. Let's see. So, option number one, those who chose this couple with the pink dress, it's very beautiful. Well, it feels like, this feels like a tropical break, like a holiday, like a vacation kind of a mood right now. Uh, Six of Cups, it's about love, it's about nostalgia. There is a lot happening in this, there is a special vibe in this connection. Let's see, these are your extra messages. I'll be pulling more cards also. So these are your tarot. So let's see that first, and then we're gonna look at your other cards. So what's happening currently? Wow, I feel there is a no contact right now. Currently, you guys are not in contact. There is a lot of hurt. There is a lot of pain in this connection right now, or there has been some harsh words, some hurt, some pain in the past in this connection. I feel this is the current energy, friends. You guys are hurt. You might have been blocked by each other. No contact situation. Even if this is a new person, new connection, friends, I feel like right now this is, you are not talking openly, or this is a very casual phase right now. There is some hurt, there is some block, some restriction, some hesitancy in this connection at present. But that's what is happening real in the real 3D phase. But what is happening in the heart? It is this. Look at that. I want to love you, and I want to hug you. It's like, love me like you do, tara. So that's the energy here. Like, although you guys are not talking, you guys are hurt, you guys might be in separation or in no contact, there is love, there is still love in this connection. Let's see what else. I feel like this is, you see, there is also, I keep getting this, the yellow around the heart, like, there is some sort of a healing happening in this connection. If this is a new connection, you are definitely healing or recovering from a past heartache, so you are taking your time, or your person is taking their time. So let us see what's happening right now in this connection. Yeah, I feel your person is making you wait, and that's very irritating for you at the moment. You both are like, we'll wait. You are taking a wait and watch approach. Especially your person is taking that approach, like, yeah, I'm gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. I need some time. I need some break. You might also be doing the same, like, yeah, I need some time, I need some break, I want to stay away. But it is frustrating, it is making this connection very frustrating, because you guys love each other, but there is this break, there is this pain, there is this communication blocks happening at the moment. So you are like, what is happening? So, my god. I also feel that this person or this connection could be from a different religion, culture, or you guys could be like a boss and a senior, junior, or you guys are like student teacher kind of a relationship. You know, this relationship of yours is different from what the world expects it to be. Like, you guys are not supposed to be in love, but you guys are in love, or your person is married, or you could be married. So issues of society, tradition, culture, patriarchy, what is right, what is wrong, you didn't do this for me, expectations, the load of expectations, all that is affecting this connection at the moment. Also, one of the reasons you guys are hurt with each other is marriage or commitment, like your person is not committing to you, or they are engaged with somebody else, so that is why you are a little frustrated in this connection. But what is happening is your person actually is loyal towards you, even though they are not showing it, even though they are not telling you or anything about it. I still feel they are very connected with you, you guys are still connected with each other, and they still value this connection a lot, they still keep this connection in high regards and high respect. It is still something very like, it is, this connection is to your person. They may not be talking, they may not be sharing their emotions, but for them, you are somebody they really value, they worship, they pray. I don't think so your person ever says this, but that's how they feel about you. Like, it is the official thing, it is the, you are the deal for them, you are the heaven for them, that's how they feel. But that's not what they are saying to you, that's not what they are telling you, that's how they feel. Let's see the word. Yeah, this person could be living in some another city or country away from you. Also, you guys might feel like you are poles apart. Your person also feels like you guys are different from each other. You expect something else, they expect something else. And another thing is that your person wants to jump out of their comfort zone. They are stuck in this no communication. They are stuck in, change, not able to change themselves. They want to change themselves for you, for this connection. And I think that is the frustrating thing, that you both want to change and make this connection work, but right now nobody is taking any action on it. So this is a little frustrating for both of you. So let's see what else. So it feels like, your person definitely wants to meet you. It could be a long distance connection, so that is the reason of frustration. They want to meet you, they want to see you, they want to also step outside of their comfort zone. They want to change this thing, the blocks, this non communication. They want to do, they want to take you on a holiday, hug you, be with you, spend some happy moments together with you. They want to do the right things for you, because right now your person is not doing the right things at all. You feel like, what is wrong with this person, why can't they do the things which are right for this connection, like, make a move, make that phone call, tell you they love you, they miss you. I think the person is thinking about all those things. They definitely are thinking about it. Page of Swords. Yes, your person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I do feel your person wants to communicate with you, and they will be taking a move or making a move towards you. Also, they feel like a little defensive or nervous, about you and approaching you, because they feel like they you will not easily forgive them, you will not be easy when they come back, so they are a little scared of you. They also know truth is very important for our viewers, so this person is a little scared that maybe they let you down in some way, and they are like, oh my god, now will she accept me back, will he take me back? So defenses are high in this connection at the moment. You both are acting a bit defensive. You both are putting the blame on other things, like what will the world say, what will the family say, what will everybody else say. But right now, the problem is that you guys are hurt with each other, not with the world. Ace of Cups, but definitely your person feels a lot of love for you, even though no matter what is happening in this connection, there is a lot of love in this connection. There is still depth in this connection. Your partner still feels this emotional bond with you. They feel this overflowing love towards you. They also want to renew this connection. They also want to take charge in this connection. They want to be with you. I also feel that this person has been crying for you recently, like they miss you, they want to spend some time but they can't, or they feel like they lost you and they want you back. It's like they are yearning, they are crying for you, they want you back. Temperance, yes, your person definitely wants to, I think your person has been a little selfish, friends, honestly speaking, and they know it. They realize that they have not been very, very honest or very, giving to you. They were very selfish. They were focused on their work. Their priorities were important, like what their family is saying, what their work. So, this person was a bit selfish, and like they were very much focused on what my family wants, what I want, my work is important, my finances, this and that. But that has become a problem in this connection, their selfishness, and they know that they are trying to become a better person. They are trying to balance out their selfishness with some patience, with some love, with some understanding, and they know they have been wrong at certain point. Yeah, Three of Cups. I feel this person is there may have been third party in this connection, friends, like family were trying to separate you guys, or your person's family was trying to get in between you, or their friends or their cousins, or it could be like this person was married or you were married with somebody else, there was another person involved. So definitely third party was affecting this connection, and your person is, they know what they have done wrong and they are trying to fix the situation. They are trying to work on balancing and removing obstacles from this connection. If this is a new person, they want something more than friendship with you. If this is a crush, they want something more, not just friendship. They want to be your lover, and they want to communicate this to you. They might be somebody you meet online or through online classes or online work, and they definitely want to take this thing to the next level if this is a new person. But they are a little hesitant because they are scared what will, maybe there is an age gap, or maybe they feel you are different from them. So they feel a lot of love and they want to take it to the next level, but they are nervous. Also, I feel that this person really misses, right now they are missing the happy times. They want to be friends with you, they want to message you. I think this person may have let you down as a lover or as a committed partner, but they still want you as a friend, and they still value you as a friend very much, and they really miss the happy times they have spent with you. So they still want to come back and at least be in your good books. Like they want to still be friends with you, even they want love, but if you cannot allow that, let them be friends with you. That's what they feel like right now. King of Rods, yeah, this could be your twin flame, Aries, Leo, Sag person. They could be your divine masculine, divine feminine. And I feel this person is very passionate about you, friends. They are very, very passionate, and at the same time, they are very loving and very, very, yearning and craving for your body, your love, your touch. But they are still a little arrogant, friends, to make the move towards you, or to say what is going on in their heart. All this is their heart energy, but they are not saying it. I feel this person is trying to be like in their power. They are they, I think they, in on their social media, they are trying to tell you they are not affected, they are not missing you. That's how they are pretending, but that's a pretense, friends. They are wearing a mask. The thing is, they are missing you, they want you back. They feel a lot of love for you, and they want you, they want to be together with you. But right now they are watching on your social media, not making a move. The Empress, look at that. They definitely regard you very much, friends. They really think you are like an emperor or this empress, this beautiful queen or king who deserves the world. And you are angelic to them in some way, you are a blessing for them. And if you are married with this person, they want to expand this connection into marriage, into children. If you are married, they want children with you, they want you to make the mother of their baby or father of their baby, right? But if this person is single, you both are single, they definitely want, they see you as the wifey, they see you as the hubby kind of a material. And they see that you are very pure, you have a kind heart, while this person is, you are very giving friends. They see that they feel that you guys are opposites in some way. You are giving, they are taking. So you are a giver, they are a taker, and they know that this is the problem in this connection, that is the imbalance there, that they are selfish but you are not. They might be dishonest, or they might be greedy, but you are not. So they know the difference, what is happening here, and then love these qualities about you. I think this person is definitely your twin flame, or somebody very important to you. Nine of Cups, yes, this person wants to bring happiness in this connection, because they are tired of the pain, they are tired of the nothing happening in this connection, they are tired of the way you see them right now. They want happiness, they want this Six of Cups, they want this times when they could be in your arms, like lay back in the arms of someone you love. That song is beautiful, I would suggest you to go and listen to that song. It is by, it's a very very old band, it's a beautiful band, it's a classic soft rock band, from which lay back in the arms of someone you love. Smokey, I think it is by Smokey. So check that out, this song. And yes, they want to make things better in this connection, they want to spend some happy times. If this is a new person, I do see some happy dates happening between you and this person, and they will be sharing their love, proposing their love and feelings, and taking it next to the other level, from friendship to proposal to dating, right? And if this is already somebody and you had been hurt, then this person is definitely wanting to be friends with you and wanting to give them a second chance, because they see like you will not give them a second chance. Also, I see that most of you are focusing on your work and career, just like this person is. Our viewers are now focused on your joy, on your happiness. So, you are also turning your back on this person. So, your person knows that you are very happy without them, and this is bothering this person. That how can you be happy without them? Because that's what exactly they did to you, and now it is happening. You are doing this to them. Yeah, Alexia, you are like a lifeline for this person. This could be something you feel is a bit toxic, because you guys can't live without each other. This is like heaven for you both. But also at the same time, it is a very complicated relationship. So your person is like, oh my god, I miss my Alexia. They wanna drink you, they wanna touch you, and they want to be with you. You are the miracle for them, the heaven for them, the potion for them, the magic for them. What else is happening in this? Oh, wildflowers. Yeah, this love is wild. They can't contain this love. Even though this connection is very strange, uh, in the sense like it is not conventional, but it is wild, it is free, and that's how they want it to be. And look at that wolf. I think your person feels a lot of passion for you. They feel very instinctively or intuitively connected with you. And walls made for life. So even if this person is married, they still have a loyalty towards you in some way. Like they remember your birthday, your anniversaries, or whatever. They have a certain loyalty towards you, and they want to assure you that they are loyal towards you. Let us see how they are feeling for you. Freedom. Wow. I think this person wants to be free from anything that's keeping you apart. If they are married, they want to be free from that. If they are in another relationship, they want to be away from that. If family was the reason you guys are away, or the work, they want to remove all those blocks. They want to feel free to be able to move towards you. Free. Also, they felt very happy, when they were together, you guys were together. So this person is like, I want my freedom back. They feel very free, very happy when they think about you. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. So that's how they are feeling. Like you are focused on your happiness, they are focused on their happiness, but they are not really happy. Their happiness is you. So well, let's see what else. Dreams coming true. Yeah, I do feel this person, nine of cups, nine of cups, both, my god, same deck. So 9 9 is important. So 9 could be the birth month of this person, or 9, 9 is important as in the birthday, like it could be 1929, something like that is the birth date of this person. Also, this person is trying to, their dream come true is definitely you, friends. They want you back, and they want to take action towards this relationship. They feel very very connected with you, and they feel that the universe is aligning you together. Crown chakra. See, no matter what is happening in this connection, your person is very much connected with you through the crown chakra. Your chakras, your higher selves are connected with each other, your hearts are connected with each other. No matter what is happening, whether you talk or not, you guys are still very connected. They visit you in dreams, and you guys meet and share and talk there. So, what will this person want to say to you if they could? Let's see that. What will this person want to say to our viewers? Defend to the end, the worthwhile. Yeah, they want to defend you to the end, friends. They want to be with you through thick and through thin. They want to be there for you through the ages, through lifetimes after lifetime. This person is like, I'm loyal to you, I'm telling you, but they don't know how to show it to you. They feel such a strange loyalty towards you, and they feel such eternal and strong love towards you, like an addiction. This love is like an addiction. This love is like a drug. I keep getting that song. This love is like a drug. What they want to say to our viewers? Going beyond normal. Yeah, they definitely are trying. Your person is trying to become, what you want them to become much more than what they are. They are trying to balance their selfishness. They are trying to open their heart. Also, they are trying to again look at that intuition. They are trying to connect with you through signs, through dreams, through messages, through social media, stalking. So this is a relationship which is beyond normal. They can't understand this. It is intense connection. This person knows that even though you guys not be in touch, they can feel you, they can hear you, and you can also. So they are like, what's going on? And also they find that you are angelic. They don't know like what's happening. You are angelic. So they are like, is it true, is it real, is it not? What they want to say to you? The perfection of your life. You are perfect for them. You guys are just perfect for them. If you feel like, they actually feel like, they are not really worthy of you, because you are perfect, and everything that happened bad was their mistake. I think they are so egoistic, they never told you that it was their fault. Whatever pain or this heartbreak was happening, it was their fault. They want to tell you, you are perfect, it was not your fault, it was them who did the wrong things. So let us see what will be their next move. The loving woman. I feel this person is going to make a move towards you to express their love, give you some gifts, take you out on a date. Yes, absolutely. So do expect a message from them. And also they want to tell their friends that you are the most loving person, the higher self. Yes, I feel you guys are being connected spiritually. They will, this is a very spiritual connection, so they want to open their heart, share their love with you. And I think this person is growing, changing, becoming a better person. What they want to say, what will happen next in this connection. Okay, optimism. Stay optimistic. Good things are coming your way. Great things are opening for you. So wow, this is beautiful. Let us take some final love message, and then what will happen for pile number 1 in this connection. Ooh, love yourself first. So I feel that's exactly what your person is trying to do. They were a little selfish in the past, but now they are focusing to love themselves, to balance themselves, to even see that how loving and sweet you are. So love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more attractive. So if you are focusing on yourself and taking time in loving yourself, that's exactly what you need to do right now, friends, because The more you love yourself, the more this person will be attracted towards you. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see what is happening in your connection, and we're gonna look into details. There are a lot of pile today, a lot of clarification cards also. We're gonna look at detail in this reading, and if you chose pile number 2, this couple in the green dress, this lady in the green dress. Wow, I feel Two of Cups. Wow, this is a beautiful energy. It is like I love you, you love me. Let's celebrate. Let's enjoy. Let's dance together. So it's a great energy in this connection right now. And these are your extra messages. I will be pulling more cards, so worry not. Let's see your tarot. What's happening in your connection, friends? This person could be anybody, a crush, a new lover, somebody you married, husband wife, twin flame, soulmate. It can be anybody. Let's see. Whew, this is a tough time for this. Yeah. All right. So you are feeling a little defensive about this connection. You are feeling like this connection is going through a phase where things are, communication challenges are there. You both defenses are high. You are not sure how your person feels, or they are not how you feel about them. So there is also I feel your person has other burdens affecting their life, like they could be busy with family issues, or they could be busy with money issues. They are struggling at the moment, so they have other responsibilities they are trying to fight and battle. And you also might be focusing on other areas in your life, like finances, family, health issues, whatever. But there is like this, you both want to fight for this connection, but right now there are other things to work on and other things to look at or worry about. That is the current energy. It is like an energy of frustration and anger, and energy of your person feeling like they want to be with you, but other things, other priorities, other things are making it difficult for them to be with you. So they are really feeling that angst. You are also feeling that angst, that why can't this person be with me? Why they have to do this? Why they have to do that? Why they have to do 10 jobs? Why can't they be with me? Whew. There is a lot of passion in this connection, because it is this 2, it is the 7. A lot of passion. You guys feel very passionately about each other. So let's see what else is happening in this connection. Yeah, see, you are definitely feeling like your person is not giving you enough time, enough attention. You definitely feel like your person, you have to fight for your person's time. You feel like you have to message them 10 times before they message you back or reply you back. So there is this frustration, like why is this person can't give you proper time, proper attention? Why they can't give you what you give them, the love you give them freely? Why they can't give it back to you? So they are feeling like, wow, you may also be, I feel like, maybe there is another person in this connection, like, or something else is there which is taking your person's attention away from you, like family. It could be work also, financial worries, burdens, pressures. So it is like you're fighting for your person's love. Like, why can't you come back? Why are you not giving me time? You are like, this person only gives me some little time. They are never free. So it is a frustrating situation right now for you and them. The death, yeah. I do feel this is a very, very intense connection. You guys feel very intensely about each other. You guys are very, very deeply in love also with each other. I feel your person is struggling through some sort of a loss. Maybe you also face some loss, or they face some loss, like maybe they lost a job, or they have lost some money, like they have home issues, family burdens, they are looking after that. So this person is going through some tough times, friends, and that is the reason this relationship of yours is affected. I also feel that some of you may be feeling like this is the end of the connection, or you feel like something needs to shift or transform in this connection to get it back on track. And again, I'm feeling like there has been certain loss, some you, even I feel our viewers have also lost something like a job or peace of mind or health issues, financial issues, family issues. So some sort of a loss is being affecting this connection right now, and your person is like, they want to be with you, but they feel very, very helpless right now, what to do, how to deal with this thing. I also feel some of them, your person could be going through some anxiety, depression, stress, health issues like acidity or something like that. They have certain fears, friends, which is affecting this connection. And it is sad because I think this is a great connection. You guys are very much passionate, you guys are very much in love. Your person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You guys could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces yourself, friends. Let us see what else. Wow, this is beautiful. I feel your person definitely thinks you are family, you are the one for them, and they definitely want to marry you. If they can't commit to you right now, they want to commit to you in the future because that's how they feel. They feel possessive, they feel protective about you, and they don't want to share you with anybody else. So, if you think this person will let you go, I don't think so. They will fight for you. Another thing is like this person feels very, very possessive of you, and that might be another problem going on in this connection. Like you feel this is too intense a connection. If this is a new connection, you feel like this person is too possessive about you, they are too much into you, and you are like, why? Why are you so possessive? Why are you so, don't want to share? They might even be a little jealous of you, or your family also, like, why were you doing this? Why don't you talk to me all the time? So you are like, wow, you know so they are a little jealous, they are very protective, they are overprotective, they are over, like, they need you, they crave you, and they are like, you are mine, nobody else's can share you, especially when they are around you. But when they are busy, they are like, nope, that's my time. So also, another thing is family is definitely affecting this connection at the moment. If you are wondering what your person is busy, why they are not replying your messages, your calls, what is happening? Do they have somebody else in their life? No, I think the third party here in this connection is majorly family. This person, so this person definitely have some family issues going on. It could be a family, like they are pressurizing them, they have family expectations, or like family loss is happening, financial losses or something, so they have to deal with it. So they, if you feel why this person is not talking to you or giving you enough time, it is because of family. Also, this person could be living near you, friends, like they are a neighbor or they are related to you in some way, they live near your house, or they are planning to visit you in the future. That is also coming across. Yes, Ace of Rods. I do feel this person feels very, very passionate about you, friends. There is no doubt about it, and they want to fight for this connection, they want a chance back again with you. And if you guys are not in contact, I feel this person will be messaging you very, very quickly, in one day, 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. I also feel they are very protective, very passionate about you. This person is like, they can't let you go, and they still have the hots for you. If this is a new connection, the attraction is mutual. If you are wondering they love you, yes, they do, because they might not be replying your messages so often, and you feel like this person is a little cold. No, friends, if this is a new person, the attraction is mutual on both sides. They really like you, they feel the same way about you. In fact, they are more possessive about you than anybody else could be in the whole world. There is this magnetic physical attraction between you and them, and they will be messaging you. I feel this person is also planning to meet you very soon, if they can. I feel if they are in the same city, they are planning to meet you, call you, and set up a date with you. Also, they want to take, I think this person, if they ever not replying to your messages, you can expect some passion to come back in this relationship, excitement to come back. So it's a great energy. The moon, yeah, you guys, you know hidden secrets, hidden fears are affecting this relationship a lot. You feel like, insecurities, you feel like, oh, this person will be with somebody else, they feel like, oh, she'll be with, or he will be with somebody else. you know a lot of, this connection is very intense, this connection is very deep, you guys are very emotionally connected with each other. At the same time, there is a lot of passion also in this connection. So it is like you feel like you can't, there are insecurities, there are fears, like what will they say, what will people say, what will my person say, like once when they are ignoring you, you feel like, oh, this person is busy with somebody else, why will they message me, they have somebody else, you will not even think or question this idea, because the love is so intense and the fears are also at the same time very intense. I think something is hidden in this connection, or your person has not told you some truths about them, their life, like they are going through some challenges, some struggles, some pain. I think the person will be telling you or disclosing those things very, very soon to you. So, this is happening. Also, you are completing one phase in this connection and reaching to another phase. Like, what does that mean? Like, if you were not talking, things will get steamy again in this connection, so you will start talking again, you will start to fall in love again. If this is a new connection, this person feels exactly the same you do, so things will get romantic in this connection. Also, you may have had a very terrible ending with this person, but they still will be coming back into your life, and because they have something important to tell you and share with you. Knight of Rods, this person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or they have a lot of fire energy in them. I also feel they could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Scorpio person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel this person was not ready in the past to work on this connection. They didn't had time, but now they will be coming to tell you, see, I want to work on this connection. I am sorry, I was not free earlier. I had some issues. I was not talking, but now I want to fix things in this connection. Page of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, I do feel there may be some age gap in this connection or maturity gap in this connection, but your person may be very emotional, they might be going through mood swings, or one of you goes through mood swings. Also, there is some choice available, like you have two lovers or your person has two lovers, like there is certain choice available to both of you, but the person you actually want to choose is you, you, and you want to choose them. So that is the problem, no matter who is available, the person you actually want is them, and no matter who is available to them, the person they want is you. So I think this person is, the most important thing that you want to know in this connection right now is this person is going through some challenges, and they are not telling you right now, but they will be making a move towards you to tell what is happening in their life, and then they will also tell you that they want to work on this connection. Yes, they see value in this connection, and they also want to become themselves somebody, they want, if they are very young, this person wants to build a career, some financial prosperity, to become the right person for you. They also feel it's necessary that they are equal to you in some way. That's what they are working on right now, and some of them could be very busy at work also. The Emperor, yeah, I feel this person want to take charge of their life, they want to fix things right. This person is sometimes very highway or the my way kind of a person, but I think they realize that this is not the right way to deal with things, and they feel a lot of love. They have tried to, they have tried to they are trying to be, I think, I don't know why, but this, if this is a man, this person is expected to behave in a certain way, like their father or like their mother. So they are certainly dealing with a lot of family issues at the moment. Like this, your person is expected to do as the family say, and they want to change that. They want to be this emperor who does things their whatever they like. They do that, not what people want them. So they want to take charge of their life, and that's what is happening in this connection. I do see there could be some third parties, definitely. Let us see what else. Let's see how your person is feeling currently. Change, yeah, your person wanna change, friends. I do feel your person is going through some terrible times, some tough times, some challenges, and they wanna change. They wanna be, this emperor, empress who takes charge of their life and comes and do what they wanna do. Not do. I think they have no power right now, and that's what is bothering this person. Like, why they don't have power to be with you? I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. So they are definitely thinking of making a move towards you, calling you, messaging you. Also, they are thinking of taking the power back into their hands. Blossom number 20, yes, they want this connection to move ahead. They don't want it to be stable. This person will be messaging you, calling you, sharing things, sharing what is happening in their life. And the hermit seek, yes, I do feel this person has become wiser since the last time you talked with them. There are times when this person is very moody, very emotional, very needy, or they are like, immature in some way, impulsive in some way, but you can expect some maturity from them now or in the future, friends. Yes, let us see what else is happening in this connection for pile number 2. All right, thank you. Creatures spa, yeah, they are trying to reach out to you. It is like they are trying to hold on to you. I think this person is also someone who forgives, who takes a long long time to forgive. They could be like a crab, like they close off emotionally once they are upset, so you find it very hard to reach to them. So they are trying to change that. Also, they don't want to let you go, like they are very possessive about you. Some ways you feel like this is a very toxic connection, because when they want you, they will not hear a no from you, but when you need them, they might be busy. So you feel like this person is very possessive about you, but they don't give the same time to you. Rabbit, a lot of sexual energy. Yeah, this person is very very sexually attracted towards you. They definitely have a lot of sexual dreams about you. They think about you a lot. Spider, yeah, they they are trying to weave a web to get you back. They are trying to strategize, make a plan, and also they are trying to they are also trying to show that they are very strong, they are very very capable, but at the same time this person has certain weaknesses, like they have certain challenges going on with the family, and they have certain power issues, like they can't say a lot in their family. So they are trying to appear very sweet. Also, friends, if this is a new person, they might be a Casanova, they might be a very, very flirty person. You have to be a little careful, friends, because this person is, they are trying to catch you. They want you because you are a catch. So, I'll be very, very honest here. They might try to show themselves in a very, very good impression, very good light. So, just be a little careful if this is a new person. Even if this is somebody they are trying to tell you, like, yeah, they have a lot of power in their family, they can do anything, they can change their life, but actually this person is a little weak and they don't want to tell you that. News, yeah. Yeah, this person is like, I don't know how to fix this situation. They are like, news could also be that, like, cowboys have those lassos to catch the cows and horses. So they want to catch you when they just don't want to let you go. They want to catch you. It's a very strange energy. Teacup, yeah, they want to be friends with you, they want to take you on a date, and they are planning, they are strategizing for that. Let's see what they want to say to you. What will this person want to say to you? They still feel a lot of, they still discuss you with their friends. And I feel they want to take you out for a date, coffee or tea, some date, some wine date or something like that. What this person want to say to our viewers? The word wants to be written. Wow, that's a beautiful card. I think this person is trying to tell you that they really like you and they are trying their best right now. I think this person will be writing a long letter to you. I think they keep writing messages but deleting them, because they want to appear the best, appear very strong to you, but at the moment they are not at all at a strong place. If this was a connection that has long been ended, like 10 years, 3 years, 5 years, this was a connection that you ended a way back, this person's want to reach out to you, friends. They still want to write a letter to you, tell you how they feel about you. They have not forgotten you, but they keep deleting it. Trust yourself. I think trust is a big issue here in this connection. As I told you, this person is like, they have these beautiful feathers, like these parakeets, these parrots, and everybody is attracted to them. But they want to tell you that they are trustworthy. You can trust them. They might be a little flirty, they might be a little Casanova types, but they want you to trust them. Diving for light. Yeah, I think this person is going through really tough times, maybe personally or in their life, in their family life. They are going through tough times. They are looking for some light, for some hope. 1111, it could be a twin flame, it could be a very important soulmate. And look at that, here are the two seahorses, here are again two seahorses which are separated. So it is like this separation is killing your person, and they are trying to be balanced. They are diving for light. They are struggling for life, hope. Whew, that was tough. So let's see what will happen in this connection. What next will happen in this connection? Let's see that. What will happen? What actions or moves will this person take? Wow, joyous fun. So definitely I feel this person will be taking you out on a date, meeting you, and having creating a special moment for you. If you guys, they might take you out on this fun park or something, or with balloons, a date or something, or you guys might talk on a birthday or anniversary that's coming up for you and this connection. Wow, wow. They want to tell you you are the true love for them. Look at that, friends. That's their move. Next move is they want to tell you you are the one for them. They can't live without you. That's beautiful. And courage, and they are strong. That's what they want to tell you. That's what I was telling you. They don't want you to know they are weak. No, that's not what they want to tell you. They want to tell you they are courageous and they are coming for you. Let's see some romance angels messages. Ooh, forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in this present moment. So definitely, your person wants some forgiveness, and yes, your person is calling you in. Your prayers, affirmations, visualizations help bring you together. I do feel that this person is very powerful. They are definitely calling you towards themselves. So, because they could be your twin flame or a very important soulmate. So, that's it for now. Pile number 2. Subscribe Magic Wen's Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. Hi, beautiful angels. So, if you chose option number 3, let us see what is happening in this connection. If you chose this beautiful lady with gifts, friends, it is a beautiful card. I feel there is a lot of potential in this connection. There is a lot of happy vibes, gifts, and value and potential in this connection. That's the thing I'm feeling, and a sense of pride, a sense of accomplishment in this connection. So let us see what is happening. These are your oracle messages. I will be taking more cards. These are your tarot. Let's first start with the tarot cards, friends. What is happening in this connection currently? Wow, someone is missing you, friends. There is a lot of missing energy. Your person is missing you. They are crying over you. They feel like the situation is gone, or this situation, they can't fix it right now. You might also be missing them in some way. There is a lot of missing. There is a lot of energy of the how to make changes, how to fix this connection. You also might be in long distance with this connection, like with this person. They are in long distance, so you are not meeting with each other. If this is a new person, I feel if this is a new person, like you have not had been in a relationship with them, friends, this person is still struggling to open their heart. This person still focused on their past, the past regrets, the past loss. They are still regretting something from their past. If you already know this person had been in a relationship, they are definitely missing you. They want you. They feel like what they did is it's they don't know how to fix what they did. They feel like they have lost a chance with you. They can't fix it, but you know what? There is still hope in this connection. That all is not yet lost. I feel you both have hurted each other. You have also said some angry words, and this person also may have said some angry words with each other. There have been mutual hurt on both sides in this connection. I know, I feel like more your person has been on the wronger side, but it feels like there has been a mutual hurt and pain in this connection. but you both need each other. It is a very strange kind of a connection where you both definitely need your support for each other, like you guys are like the best friends as well as the best couple together, so you need that friend now, right now, rather than the couple energy, you need your person, they also need you, and they are missing you, they are crying for you. Let's see what else is happening. Five of wands. Yeah, there has been a lot of fighting in this connection. I felt that here also. You guys, why are you fighting, friends? I feel like your person has been, like, no, I'll do this, no, I'll do that. There has been a lot of arguments, a lot of angry words. Also, you maybe some anger issue happened in the past, but it is your person still remembers it, like why they were angry with you, why they said those things in anger. They want you, they love you, they should not have said those things in anger. Now they regret it. I feel your person has a temper, and you guys kind of put trigger each other. I don't know if you understand that, you guys kind of hit on points on each other's weaknesses because you know each other very well. Also, if this is a new connection, friends, your person is not sure whether to listen to their heart or listen to their mind. Their heart says they should come and open up with you, they should propose you, but their mind is like, nope, you have been hurt before, play it safe, play it cool, don't hurry, don't rush. So they are a little confused, they are giving you mixed signals. Yes, also this person is somebody who may have had a fight with you and they regret it, they are very sorry for it. This person definitely has a temper, like they want they they can be a little rigid and fixed at times. And the hanged man, yeah, I feel like this relationship is hanging in between since a very very long time, and you are frustrated. Your person is also frustrated because they thought you will work or make this connection better even after the hurt and pain, but I think you were like, I'll you will wait for them. So they were like, what now, what? Okay. This connection is not yet over, friends. No, definitely not. But it needs some major healing at this point of time because you both need to see things from a different perspective. Right now, you don't see eye to eye, you don't see heart to heart. So things need to heal, and this connection is on a pause because so that you guys can, understand each other and not fight or not try and hurt each other more, so this is not over yet. No, this is not over, things will develop ahead, but right now there is a pause in this connection because there was too much of passion, there was too much of competition coming in this connection, like five of wands energy. Page of Cups, your person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I do feel this person will be messaging you soon. It will be a very emotional message, but they might try to play it like, hey, how are you? But I think the real message behind that, how are you, is I am dying for you, I can't live without you, I want to talk with you. Once again. So that's what they are going to message you, and I feel they might take you out on a date also if you are working with them or if you already see them every day. I feel like they've this person looks very vulnerable. I don't know how. Like you feel very sorry for them when you see them. Like you will end up hugging them, taking care of them because you kind of protect this person. You are very protective about them, our viewers. Maybe they are young, or maybe they are like very they look very lost without you, so you will take care of them, friends, definitely. I do see they will return back or they will try to message you. Also, if this is a new person, a new crush or somebody new, they will definitely share about their past. They want to open up to you. It will take some time for them, but they will. And when you hear their story, I think you're gonna hug them and you guys will cry together. Happy tears. Knight of Pentacles, yeah. I do feel this person is taking too long to make a move towards you, and it is getting very, very frustrating for you. It's like they are waiting forever to grow up, to mature up, or to be with you. It's a frustrating situation, yes, that's for sure. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, they could also be. Another thing I'm feeling is your person is acting a little defensive, friends. Like they miss you, they are completely lost without you, they don't know what to do in life without you, but they are like, oh, I'm so brave, I can do it, I can handle this thing. So they are trying to act like they are very strong when they are not. They are very lost actually without you. And also they want to fix this situation, they want to commit to you, they want to commit to, like, they want to give the ring to you, commit to you. The maybe you're fighting about the issue of commitment, like why you don't commit to me, what is stopping you. So they want to commit to you. That's what is their energy. Their energy is like they want to give this pentacle as a ring to you, like, hey, let's get married, let's settle down, let's move in. But they are taking it very slowly. It's a very stuck kind of a relationship right now. It is a very slow kind of a relationship. You may be you may feel very frustrated with them right now. Queen of Rods, yeah, I feel this person could be a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius friends. I feel this person sees that you are very powerful, much more powerful and aggressive than they are. This person is slightly more shy, more nervous, more innocent, more vulnerable than you are. You both are like, power couples. You both like tend to lead this relationship. So that is the power struggles are common in this connection. So that is the problem. You want to take charge, they want to take charge, and none of you is taking charge actually. So you end up fighting. I think currently our viewers are focusing on themselves and they are like, this situation is frustrated. You are waiting for them, but at the end of the day, you are like, nah, I'm not waiting for them. It's like you are also a little, I have to say this, you are also a little character like your person, they also do this. Nah, I don't miss them. You are also like, nah, I don't miss them. But then you are waiting for them to come back and message you. So, yeah, no matter how much you deny you don't love them, you do love them and you are waiting for them to return back. Yes, your person definitely wants success in this connection. They will be taking charge and making a move towards you. I do feel this could be a long distance connection. So, the meeting face to face and spending more time together will heal this connection and will also make things more workable in this connection. Another thing is that you both are very much power oriented, power couples. So, working together on career or any kind of a goal will help you rather than making this relationship a fighting battle. That will not work for your favor. But if you charge this to some, if you can connect yourself with a goal, like, like if you start some hobby together or sports together and beat each other there, that would be much better than this constant battle. Page of Rods, yeah, I feel maybe this person could be married or they have some other people affecting this connection, like the third parties. They have cousins, they have a lot of people, social circle, which is affecting this connection. I also feel this person was not they are not very mature, even if they are very aged or something, like, even if they are old enough, mature enough, they don't act very mature. They are a little impulsive person, and that is the reason this situation is stuck. They are like, nope, you will take action. You are like, nope, they will take action. So no one is taking any action at the moment. Wheel of Fortune, but I do feel that yes, destiny is working in favor of this connection. There will be a positive change, a message, a news, a breakthrough coming for you and this person very, very soon. I feel the next 6 hours, the next 6 days, and the next 6 months will be very important and life changing for this connection. I do see you guys will meet and spend more time together. And once you meet and face to face, things will be much more better. I also feel you want to protect this person, and they also love the way you are protective and progressive and like a leader. Your person loves you taking charge of things, or even though they may be a little resistant, they want you to take charge of this connection. And also in bed, they want you to take charge of them. So that is what is there in their mind, even though you guys may not see eye to eye, but opposites attract. So let's see what else. How is this person feeling about you? Guilty. Yeah, this person is guilty. They know they miss you. They are not telling you. They may have. I think they are telling their friends they miss you. They want you. You are the best. But they are not telling you, and this makes them feel more guilty. Another thing is they know they did, like they can message you right now, but they are not messaging you. They are making you wait. They were lost in some part. They have a fear of rejection. They know that and they are guilty for that. That's why they were keeping distance from you. That's why they were just there for passion but could not open emotionally because of fear of rejection. I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul growth. Yeah, this person is, they want to work, they know they have done some stupidity. They were a jerk, they now are trying to fix it. They know they need to grow a little bit, they need to take a chance on love. And they see that you are somebody who is worth all this time, all this effort. You are like this catch, you are like this prize, you are like, they want to give you something. I feel they want to give you commitment, they want to give you the moon, the sun, the stars, everything, because that's what their intention is. They want to give back to you all the love you have given to them. Dedicated heart, yes, this person is very much dedicated to you and to this relationship. They are trying to work. This connection is at pause, it is not yet over. I do feel you will meet again with this person once they are ready and over this fear of rejection. Third eye chakra, very, very intuitive connection. This person is spooked by the fact that you guys are so connected together. They were scared, they got afraid that, you guys are in each other's, you can read each other's minds. You can, it's like one body, it's like one soul, two bodies. You're very intuitive. Maybe one of you is a spiritual person, intuitive, telepathic, and this person is like, wow, what is this? I feel like they might have, you might have, I think our viewers have moved away from this person, like moved on from them in some way. But you are still connected telepathically. You still miss them. You think about them. Your person also. And they are connected with you in a way like they want you back. And I do see a change. A change is coming in this connection. It's not yet over. It is just a pause in this connection because your person needs to heal certain things. You also, some power struggles need to resolve. Okay. Eel, yeah, electrifying connection. It is a very, very electrifying connection. There is magnetic energy between you and your person, magnetic attraction. Also, let's see, lots of cards dropped out. Milk, a very comforting connection. You guys are each other's support, comfort, nourishment, nutrition. Mothering energy. You guys mother each other a lot. Like you feel very protective of this person. Like you are their mama, papa. Like this person is like your person could be your mama bear, papa bear, or you. I feel our viewers are the mama bears and papa bears for this person. Peacock, yeah. You guys both look great together. You are a couple that people watch, people talk about. You guys both be very good looking, very attractive, very stylish, power couples. Cauldron, yes. Things are developing in this connection, friends. A lot is happening behind the scenes. It is not, the timing is not yet right. That is why things are stuck and still. But it's not yet over. I don't know if you are happy about it or not, but it's not yet over. You will see them again. I think you are not happy about that. Our viewers are fantastic, I tell you. Let us see what they want to say to you. This person, what they want to say to our viewers, okay? Come to life. Yeah, this person could be a creative person. I feel they are writing songs about you, paintings about you, and they want to touch your body, paint your body, kiss every area of your body. They come to life when they think about you. They come to life when you kiss them, when you touch them. I think this person has been through a lot of BS in their life, through a lot of rejections, a lot of losses. But when you were with them, this person really felt alive, very happy, very nice, very much like a flower, shining, a star shining bright. Focus on the light. This, they are telling you to focus on their good things. I think you no longer like this person, or you're angry or upset with this person, but they want your forgiveness. They want you to see the good things in this connection. They know they are taking forever to come back towards you, but they want you to stay, believe in this connection, believe in this telepathy that they have with you. Rest and replenish. Yeah, this person is healing. They are healing and they will be coming back. This is a time they are fixing their darkness, they are fixing their rejection losses, or they are fixing something in themselves. But that does not mean they are not healing this love for you. They have a lot of love for you. Trust yourself. I feel this person's, they also believe in you, like, like they believe like you can do anything in life, you can achieve anything in life. You are like a galaxy, you are like a universe for this person. So they are like, believe in yourself, don't doubt yourself. If you are doubting yourself that you can't achieve anything in life, or you feel a bit lost after this breakup or something, they want to tell you that you guys are amazing, our viewers, and you can achieve anything, friends. So do not doubt your potential. If this person is away from you, it is because they have certain issues going on in their life. It's not because of you, it's because of them. Let's see what will happen next in this connection. I can't breathe suddenly because I think this person has some, anxiety issues, or like claustrophobia, like, they want to say something but they can't say. That feeling. And you see 555, they want to change, they are desperately needing to change. They want this is like a seed which wants to break forth and bloom, and that's what is going to happen. The loving man, they love you a lot, friends, that's for sure. That's the action move they will be making towards you. They love you a lot. They will be telling you that. They will be giving you gifts. They want to shower you with gifts. They want to give you the moon, the star, the suns, anything you want, the gems, the commitment, everything they want to give to you. Professional assistance. Yeah, they want to also, you could be co-workers, or they want to work with you in the future. As I told you, they want to compete with you in the work field or in a sports, not in bed or not in the relationship. Oh, fragmented energy. Yeah, I feel this person, is trying to gather themselves up, and they may, once they come back, you may feel like this person is still a bit lost. But I think they are trying to gather their pieces, and yeah, they are trying to become a very successful and happy person. They are trying to reach at this place of happiness and complete, sort of balance. And once that is done, they will be coming towards you. Yeah, they know they are actually, this is divine timing at work. They are honoring the path. They know they need to fix something before they can be with you, and they are trying to do that, build their career, build themselves, heal their issues, trust issues, rejections, whatever traumas they were having. They are trying to fix it, and then they will come back towards you. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. I think you expected this person to be somebody else, or to be very kind, very loving, but they kind of showed their other colors, their dark side to you, and that is kind of made this connection a little off. So keep an open mind, Maybe this person, maybe someone else is coming towards you and you are ready for that. Deception, someone is wearing a false mask. Yeah, I think your person is loving you, they are dying for you, and then they are not telling you that. I think this person may have even lied to you that they love you, they don't miss you. They do miss you, they love you, and they want you back. Romantic feelings, see? Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Heart-to-heart conversations. Yes, I do feel this person is going to come and talk to you, and it will be destined with divine timing. It will not happen when you want or when they want. It will happen with the time, with the stroke of luck, at the perfect moment. And that's it for now, friends. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C. If you want to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye.